Welcome back everybody. So how's you all doing? So in today's video we'll do binary classification. So it's a very important topic with respect to machine learning too. It's a topic that we'll cover in both machine learning, neural network. So let's look at this. So binary classification, as the name suggests, binary means two. Classification means classify. That means differentiate. So let me say I draw a picture. Let's see what this look like. Is this a cat or not? So this is what binary classification does. We feed some data as a training set, and then we test our data on some pictures like these, not like this. And then it can be used in many factories for classification about say you manufacture cars, then about an engine where you give some pictures that oh, this part is correctly arranged, this one is also correct. Then there it can be used. Then it can be used in multiple other factories like Cadbury factory, where they decide the shapes, or classification about vegetable. Oh, this vegetable is not good for customers, they will reject it. So there we can use binary classification. Or there is multiple classification too, where we took multiple factors into account and classify a object into different categories. So first of all, binary classification, as you suggest, two, there are only two choices: yes or no. Is this a cat? No, not like a cat, but let's say the our algorithm took it like this, that it must have two ears, two eyes, a nose, and a mouth, and a shape like this. So maybe it can classify it as a cat. Yes, it is. Then there can be option like if it has a tail, four legs, then maybe it can classify it as a cat. There can be many factors that can be taken into account here. So we have three type of colors: red, then blue, and then green. So maybe these are the RBG. You can say, you can learn like this. Now you must be asking, why are we learning about colors? This is very important because when these three colors combine, they can give multiple other colors, and that can be taken into account about a picture. Say we have this 64 across 64 grid, and here is a picture. Just do not take it seriously. This is a cat. Say this is a cat. Now this color, maybe this will be red, or this may be white, this may be black, something like this, and this goes on. So there will be 64 by 64 pixels, 64 rows and 64 columns. So let's say we have three like this: one for red, one for blue, and one for green. So there will be three colors. So that can be taken account, and when we calculate, that can be a 64 multiplied by 64 multiplied by 3. These number of features are there. A lot of features are there. So multiple times we use that feature scaling or mean normalization to lower down the features and to make it shorter. But for this case, let's say we do not do anything and we take this into account. So these number of features are there. So this is X, and according to which it will give a output yes or no. So let's say we have 10,000 examples, and we have trained about 6,000. We must take these 10,000 into two subparts. One will be training and one for test. So then 4,000 may be for test. Then this is important because if we choose a same folder, that will be easy to manage, and not much difficulty you will have to face. So 6,000 for train and 4,000 for test. So this how we will classify them. These 4,000 pictures will have different outputs, and that's how your algorithm will improve slowly and slowly. Recently, I got a comment that a person was asking me that he has done a BTech on mechanical engineering, and he want to shift towards machine learning and data science. And he was asking me, but bro, I want to tell that I am not at that level. But I can tell you that one thing: if you want to get a job in less than 3 months, or maybe about you have about a year, what you can do is I have learned from an important platform named Coursera. No shout out, not anything, but this is very good place. That's why I am giving it a shout out. Because from this place I have learned for free machine learning, neural network, data science, about everything. And there you can search about machine learning, sorry, LEARNING, and you can write down there. You will get a course about very famous about from the same Stanford University. You will written there, and you can apply for financial aid and get the course for free. Bro, you will learn a lot. You will learn about SVM. You will learn about binary classification, logistic regression, then multiple more things. Not to tell everything in here. So you can explore and get yourself familiar with. If you have more than 3 months, then you can try out something projects, 1 or 2 projects, and then you will be ready to go. So like, share, and subscribe. See you again.